In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Whop affiliate links. To start, make sure you're logged into your Whop account. Once you're signed in, head over to your main home dashboard. This is usually the first page you see after logging in, but if not, you can get there by going to the home section on the site. Take a second to confirm you're on the right page. You should see your usual Whop feed and navigation options. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This might be your avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon. A small drop-down or menu will appear with several account-related options. From that menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Affiliates. This is where all of Whop's affiliate and partner tools are managed. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the menu or look for something along the lines of Affiliates or Partner Dashboard. Once you're on the Affiliates page, look for a button or link that says Apply to be a partner. Go ahead and click that. Whop requires you to be accepted as a partner before you can actually generate affiliate links, so this is an essential step before anything else. You'll now be redirected to a partner or agency partners page. Here, you should see a button that says Join Waitlist. Click this button to begin your application process. Even if you're not sure how long the approval will take, it's important to complete this step thoroughly to increase your chances of getting accepted. After clicking Join Waitlist, you'll be presented with a form containing several fields. The first key field asks for your primary social username. Click into that field and type in the main social handle where you have the most presence, such as your main account on a social platform. Make sure it's accurate and active, since Whop may review it to understand your audience. Next, you'll see a question asking how you plan on onboarding new creators to Whop. Click into that field and explain your strategy clearly. For example, you might mention creating content, running a community, or working directly with creators. Be specific and honest so Whop understands how you intend to add value. You'll then find a question asking whether you've referred any new sellers to Whop before. Click into this field and answer truthfully. If you have, briefly describe your experience. If not, simply state that you haven't yet. Once all the fields are filled out and you've double-checked your answers, look for the Continue button at the bottom of the form. Click on Continue to submit your application. After Whop reviews and approves you as a partner, you'll be able to access your affiliate dashboard and start generating affiliate links for the products and